hang on. Yeah, can you all see my drawing? Can see, right?
Yeah,
This
can.
table, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the first thing we need to present is here, right? Because every month the resources might be different. How many story points we can assign is all different. Okay. Yeah, so we always start off by recapping in July what was our capacity and what is the way we calculate story points. Shall we? Yeah, let's focus on that first. Is that okay? Can I understand? Yeah, so is this correct to begin with? Like who entered this, or this was not entered, or this was like wrong already? Can someone first
It's
answer?
wrong already.
Right, why is it wrong? Help me understand.
Uh,
Just click on this. Show me the formula for each and tell me what went wrong.
this is for 2% from the iOS team.
Mm-hmm. So what is wrong with 2%? Tell me what is wrong with 2%.
Đúng bao nhiêu?
Đúng. Vậy là cái số dẫn đi sai. Yeah, I mean the number in here is wrong. So
Which one? Which number is wrong? Which one? Go slowly.
Yeah, I mean the ETI has in this column, in the M column is wrong. We have just
I'm not interested. So hang on. I repeat again. Present number 1 first.
Yeah.
Then we present number 2. Then we present number 3. Don't suddenly talk about this where I'm talking about this. Okay?
Yeah.
Can we first go row by row very clearly? Row 1. Let's go to row 1. Available capacity. Is it correct or wrong?
Đúng rồi.
It's correct.
Okay, so this one is correct, huh?
Yeah, right.
Right. Yeah, so I want to know F something. Hey, wait, go back to the formula. Point to me, show me the exact column F number. What is F number? Wait, cannot read. I cannot. Don't move, don't move. What is F2? Show me F2.
F2 here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is based on number of work days, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So is this correct? In July, was it 22 days?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay. 22 days, right? Okay, so can I first start off by saying, right, the story points we have has never changed over the for the last endless months since beginning of time. The number of story points per developer has no differences, right? So we expect them. Their OKR never change, so I don't think anything has changed. Story points assigned to per developer equals to man days. We have set the SOP since day 1 until today. There is no change, right?
Yeah.
I repeat again, right? So we have not changed any measurement, right? To them, they are still telling you, okay, 1 story point is 1 man day. Still the same thing, right? Noah and Mika, can you understand my question? I repeat again. Yeah. So no change, right? So whatever they are measuring in terms of man day and story points is still the same, right? 1 day, 1 story point, right?
Yeah, I think so. Because when they give me the estimation, they give us the mandate estimate.
Sure, no problem. So which means that no matter what we are looking at, 2 developer is still 2 developer in terms of number of man days, right? No changes, right? Since day 1 until now, right? Everything is still the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, second question. Is there we didn't change the standard in terms of measurement, right? It's the same question. Meaning that if this story is difficult, it is worth 2 story point. Oh no, okay lah. Difficult story, 10 user story points. It's a 10 user story point, right? Which straight away equals to 10 man days. Correct? Am I right to say that? No change, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so Budi, I can safely say that we have not improved in terms of our capacity because we are using the same measurement all the time. The story points effort, it was still equals to mandate. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
yeah.
correct.
Right. Each developer cannot handle anything more than 22 days, or rather 22 story points worth. Correct, Noah? This statement is correct, right? Noah, this statement not wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You understand what I'm saying, right? So each developer as of this moment is still 22 effort, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Right. story points worth of effort, lah, right? Okay, wait, hang on, I don't know who's calling. Hang on, give me a moment. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello.
can.
I
Yeah,
was
can.
wondering whether you all can hear my complete phone call just now.
No, cannot.
Okay, no, okay, good. Okay, sorry. Okay, come, let's go. So, okay, so just want to make sure that the reason I'm asking this, Noah and Mika and Ethan for learning as well, because as we work with the various team leads, right, and Bully, right, there is a clear reason why we wanted to implement, AI, why we wanted to have team lead here. Don't get me wrong, I think the team lead generally are doing okay, doing all right. But just that I just want to measure that whether the efforts we have put in the OKRs for the different teams, right? Did it show result in the end of how we are on three things actually. So to keep the BA in the loop, this is a little bit more than sprint planning, but it is still sprint planning. In sprint planning, what does the PO want? What does the technical director want? Right? TD may be not really during sprint planning, right? But it is still during SSS planning, right? So please understand that sprint planning is not just about new tickets, right, guys? It's not just about new tickets. It is actually, in fact, SSS ticket incidents by right has a separate thing, right? It has a separate track. So that's why for BA and me, I don't care about the incident workload. I don't care about the SSS workload because Budi is handling it. So far, okay, you all can understand, right, BA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but when I look at, which means that in terms of system stability, number of incidents, this one is on Budi side. You will not be able to see it in sprint planning meeting, right? I have a discussion with Budi on that separately, on how many incidents we are facing, how stable is our system. And the reason we analyze this is because one of the key goals of product team, which is one of the key like product lead goals, right? Like iOS lead, cloud lead, QA lead. Obviously, one of their goals is to make the system more stable. Correct? Stable means stable, right? So less incident, right? And it is measured by number of incident. Of course, the second thing also important for Budi and me is called scalable. When we build things, we want the platform to be scalable, which also means that the kind of technology we are building, the kind of architecture we are transforming, it should show improvement, right? This one is not so easy in terms of number. That one is more for assessment by Budi, right? So that's for scalability. So on TD side is usually this two. Of course, there's the third one. I don't want to bore you. The third one is called security. I shall not discuss much on security. We do have security issues, right? It's not don't have, right? So there's the three things on Budi side. On my side as a PO and together with you as VA, I hope you all also understand why you all are doing sprint planning. It is not just about completing user story, right? Yes, obviously we need to build new feature, enhance existing story. That's definitely what we want to do. But what is more important is two things, right? Why you and me are in the meeting. Number one, we want to build highly effective user story. We are not here just to build random user story, right? We are not interested to just anyhow choose ticket, anyhow build things. We want to build, stories that rather we want to build features that can have a breakthrough that actually help us to improve our product goals, right? That's the first thing, right? So in order to achieve that, we then obviously need to ask ourselves a question. What is the solution our developers are proposing? Do we actually achieve breakthrough in terms of our solutioning? To me, this is a very important thing. It's equal to scalability. It is also like 50% equals to scalability, right? If today we are always stuck in the same thing, looking at the same codes, looking at the same thing, doing minimum improvement, cannot break through into software as a service, I feel that, we have not been spending a lot of time to, there's two parts, right? One is of course FAS. The other one is product goals. I'm sure by now all of you know what are the product goals. For example, right? Noah, if I would ask you, can you quote me one or two product goals that is very, very relevant to you? Mika, how about yourself? What is one or two product goals very relevant to you? Ethan, also you should try. What is the product goal that is very relevant to you as a PO? Come, let's try. Noah, you want to try first?
Yeah, mine is bonus e-wallet top up, bonus voucher purchase.
Try not to explain to me in terms of function and feature, because I think all of us here should be able to give numbers really.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's try it. Try again.
Okay.
Yeah, you can talk about the feature first. No problem. You can talk about the feature first. Then after that, you must be able to say something, about the feature, a number, something that we want to pursue. You know what I mean? It cannot be we want to build e-wallet. Then I think this one don't need to build. Just borrow from somebody, buy off the shelf. We can already. Right?
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
So my product goal is like increase the member sign up conversion, increase the repeat purchase.
No, sorry. Increase by how much? What is a good healthy number? Yeah, let's try to be specific, right? We need numbers. Increase
Okay.
means increase means what? Every month increase 1%? Or what? What is a healthy? What is the target number?
At least 80% member sign up.
Yeah, that one is maximum. I don't think it's at least. At least is minimal, You sure? I know. I also never confident. I've never written that product goal before. Can you all please refer to onboarding form? Open up onboarding form.
Okay.
Yeah, but no, not wrong. The product goal that you are saying, right, is more like our 2026 product feature goal, product feature what we want to build, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're trying to say, right? It's more like product roadmap, right? So there's a difference between product goal and product roadmap. So Noah, Mika, and Ethan, when we are describing milestone, I want to build this, I want to build this, I want to build this. These are called product roadmap. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Noah, you get it right. That's called product roadmap, which is inside our BA planning sheet also, right? Although I
right.
didn't write very detailed, but it's all there, right? By when we want to build this, we want to build this. The roadmap is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But goals is different. Goals is numbers. Go all the way to the last two, second last two. All the way, no, last two. Scroll all the way to the last two. I repeat, scroll all the way. Worksheet. Scroll all the way to the last two worksheet. Click on goals planning. Yeah, Ethan is very familiar on this already. So if you all are confused, look at this. The numbers are super clear. Okay. Yeah, so Noah, just to guide you along, I have obviously dropped the standard for membership sign up. Scroll down, find members. Yeah, marketing, members, stop. No, you missed already. You missed. Missed. Stop. Read. How many percent?
60%.
60%, right? So is it only for you or is it for every touch point?
I think for every touch point.
Yeah, so Mika, this is also your goal, right? So when you design a CDS, that is your goal. Okay, it is not just a Noah's goal.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Right. Yeah. So any other goals? Any other goals you are aware and you know that is something that it must be inside your user story or inside your key responsibility. Yeah. So 60% is yeah. Anyway, Noah, we have the Tableau is out already, so we can look at the data more accurately right now. I will share with you later. It's a separate. I did it in a totally separate optimization sheet. I didn't want to mess up the current one because the cell and the format is already different.
Okay.
Yeah. But don't look at the Tableau. The data is not, the percentage is all wrong. I reinsert my own formula to make sure that the percentage is right.
Oh, really?
So yeah. It's just a small thing Randy key wrongly. Yeah. Buddy, anyway, help me check with Randy. I just ended a meeting with them. Actually, I was surprised you all didn't came in. My meeting with them stretched all the way until after 4 p.m. just now, but I didn't see you all coming in. Right. Buddy, help me ask Randy. I forgot to ask him. Whether the Tableau percentage, the one thing that I asked him to change, the percentage of calculator.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just help me drop him a message. Right. Okay, so Noah, so you are clear on this, right? Right. So yeah. Any other thing? Just right. Any other thing? You all can scroll through this and read.
Drive the cell. Automate returning self. Like
yeah, choose one and elaborate on it. Just choose one and elaborate. Yeah.
I think like 20% returning self. Create the AI upselling feature.
Yeah. So this 20% is what pertaining to what feature? Pertaining to what product? Which flow? Which user story?
AI upsell engine for online shop and CDS, I think.
Okay, upsell, right? So which also means a bit I would say this one versus this one is quite similar, right? But you must be able to break down, right? Because if you're talking about e-voucher upselling, is this one. This is called cash flow. It's not sales, it's cash flow. Because pre-purchase is not a sales. Pre-purchase is actually a cash flow, right? Yeah, but it is not wrong to say that if I achieve this goal, you will also achieve this goal. It's not wrong, not wrong. If you can achieve this, you can safely say you have achieved this as well. No, not returning. Sorry, not returning. Wrong. Cannot. So if you're talking about returning, Noah, it cannot be e-voucher sales. It cannot be this one. Because returning is measured by returning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to try again? Which one are you talking about? When you say 20% more sales, which one are you talking about? You're talking about this or talking about this?
I'm talking on the
Or about this?
returning
Returning,
sale.
you're talking about returning, right? Okay, sure. So, to be frank, right, nothing wrong, no, nothing wrong. But I would think that 20% returning, right? You know what is this story about? Is this RFM or is this the basic voucher returning? Which one do you think this is? You want to read through first? You want to spend a bit of time to read through first? Read through every, read through.
This RFM.
Sorry, Tuan, just to highlight to you that technically all these goals are part of our SaaS. So but whatever in SaaS I have with you, right, it's not written inside here. Sorry, Tuan. Yeah, because you and me, we are talking about merchant journeys. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, which I'm sure you remember all the key goals I gave you. Later you share, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so yours is not inside here. Obviously, because Tuan, all these are just like report card to you. You need to, help the merchant to achieve all these goals. In fact, Tuan, if your one-liner is your goal on SaaS is to help the merchant to achieve all these goals by reminding them that what are the goals they have not achieved. Right. I mean, that is definitely not wrong, right? Yeah, but I think there are more than that. That day we discussed a lot, right? I give you certain seconds, certain minutes, what you want to achieve, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, later you present that. Right. So sorry, read, you all take your time to read a little bit and then share, don't rush through. Right, read your time about the key challenge in the merchant phase, what is GET's capability and the results we want to drive, right? So then put it inside the key subsystem, or rather the key areas that you are working on, like the OS, the collaboration with CRM, the POS, yeah, then we have a better understanding. Right. So Noah, which it's not wrong to say returning purchase, but Noah, my point, my take is, right, I don't think that is directly 100% you, because don't you think the CRM is more important?
Yeah.
Right, but nothing wrong. I mean, if I'm you, I would say that yes, 20% returning purchase. But you need to know that it's not you are one part of this. You are the online shop part. You are the order tracker part. You are the part that can influence the customer to complete the sign up process. Make sure they fill in their information. The friction is low. People are willing to fill in their birthday to get the voucher. You only play one third of the success. The other part of the success, the other two part of the success is whether our notification is even working. Notification system could be one also. Central notification system not up yet. Whether our WhatsApp is even sending correctly. Correct? No?
Correct.
Yes. So, but if you are talking about your part, right, you might want to spell out which part you can influence to achieve 20% returning. For example, right, like when they apply voucher, I make it very easy for them to apply the voucher. For example, there are people who don't fill in, don't sign out as a full member. They don't even get their voucher, let alone can the system target and notify them. Not target, there's no targeting. This is nothing to do with RFM. RFM is here. This is RFM. 1 is not RFM, 2 is RFM. Okay? So Noah, if it's number 1, for you, it's really as simple as we have how many percent basic sign up. Basic sign up, we may not give all the voucher. For example, birthday voucher is missing. And we all know how important birthday voucher is. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need to explain towards your role and your part. Because obviously you are not doing CNS, right? That is not you. Obviously you are not designing the member portal part of things, right? Yeah. So why don't you all take a quick read and explain to yourself? If I'm you, honestly, no, I would select others that is more relevant to you, right? I'm quite sure you look at this screen, right? There are many others that is more relevant than other than 20% returning purchase.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
The sell 50% higher sell order size and cash flow.
Yeah.
Cash flow
Yeah. So which part of this is related to you?
For the higher sell order side, I think it's related to AI upselling engines like we are doing on online shop, home online shop and cart.
Sure.
And
Let's talk about just this point. Sorry, hang on. Let's just talk about this point.
Mhm.
Have any of our team member, developer, or product lead ever discussed how we're going to do this with you? Do we have any breakthrough in terms of technology, breakthrough in implementation towards achieving this product goal?
But to be honest, like we haven't have any discussion related to
Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. So, not just about AI. Tell me any other thing, like any other thing that is pertaining to you, right? Did the team break through in terms of any tech, in terms of that same user story effort, but we actually can achieve more. You get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah. So no change since we are not changing the measurement of user story effort, right? But obviously we need to measure the outcome, right? So was there any differences in terms of the capability? Again, the keyword I'm talking about is capabilities. Over the last few months, did our team develop new capabilities to achieve the product goals? No is no lah. Just say no lah, right? No, right? So no discussion at all, right? We are all still stuck talking about basics, right?
Yeah.
All talking about function, feature, flow, blah,
Correct,
blah,
correct.
blah, right? No breakthrough at all, right? Okay. Yeah, but also, I'm supposed to do a review with BA, right? I might as well take a chance also to share this, right? I'm sure the both Noah and Mika, y'all are tasked also to measure the product outcome one, right? So which also means that pertaining to your own stories one, right? Those that is relevant to you, right? I need y'all to give me a clear data on how certain part of that's why Noah, you understand why I keep asking on the true data of membership sign up. Now you know why I'm so interested in this more than anyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in fact, it should be one driving Randy to tell Randy to give the right data.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So I know that you don't have the right data, but if I'm you, I will be pestering Randy nonstop to give the right data. Right. And I've done so. There is out already, just that I'm not sure. I haven't shared it with you. But you can go inside Tableau to take a look. The format is more or less better right now. Right. I even give the real true breakdown. Tuan, anyway, to give you a good news, I have captured the real data for you. I have the full real data right now. Meaning, right, you remember I keep telling you, Tuan, when we measure number of members conversion, are we measuring are we measuring all customers or are we measuring only non-members? Which one? Option one is we measure everyone, including members and non-members. Or do we want to only focus on number of members sign up over number of non-members? Is it one or two?
I think one.
Noah asked you. So if you want to measure members conversion, do you want to measure one? Total number of members sign up over members plus non-members, option one. Or do you want to measure total number of new members sign up over total number of wait. I gave my question is wrong to begin with. One, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, I repeat again. Option one, new member sign up over all customer. All customer equals to existing member plus new member plus non-member. Okay, this is called option one. I repeat, option one is new member sign up over all customer. The definition of all customer equals to existing member plus new member plus non-member. That is called option one. Or is it option two? New members sign up over new members plus non-members. Is it option one or two?
Yeah, for that I will pick option two.
Great job. Thanks, Idris. Right. So yeah, so I have all the data for you already. And the percentage is highly accurate. Just plug it into the dashboard.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Noah, this is what I need you to measure as well. This is like super important for you. You got it? And I even broke it down. It's now break down into pay on mobile, pay at counter, pay later, blah blah, all break down already, including pickup and delivery. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean for BA, right? This is the same meeting I was gonna have with all of you, right? I will ask you all like every ticket that you touch, every time we present online shop, it's like in sprint planning, what I'm gonna do differently from here onwards, right? Is remember I always tell you, sprint planning is not just talking about the ticket. You need to come to me and say that this sprint finished already. Overall, the key goals that is assigned to you Has there been any improvements? And we make sure we have this part incorporated in sprint planning. So each one of you will present your overall 1 month of tickets, right? And ask and present what is I know you don't have the data today, right? You don't have the data today, but we will schedule it next week, and I want you all to go and find all the data. All right. So I highlight again, next week we will schedule a meeting where each of us, if we don't have the data, don't worry, just say I don't have the data. I will work on getting the data for one. Noah, you understand?
Yeah, understand.
All right. So which also means sprint planning is not talking about this ticket finished, that ticket never finished, right? So it's really talking about, yes, I will give you priority which ticket to go. But once I finish all the priority planning, the key thing, in fact, I want to hear from you first. I want to hear from all of you first so that we are well aware. Where are we in terms of our product goals? So far, can all understand?
Yeah, got
Mika,
that.
can you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mika, you're quite fortunate now. Not a lot of data because your CDS primarily not launched yet. But who says it's about CDS only? Your printout is also a very important thing.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
if you don't have the data, you have to say you don't have the data and by when you want to measure the data.
that. Yeah, okay.
Right, because I'm helping you all, right? Because if expert BA don't produce this, right, the component is 0. Agree?
Yeah,
Agree, right?
yeah,
Agree,
agree.
right? It's all well written in our OKR, right? I cannot give a score when there is nothing, right? Agree?
Yeah, got that.
Right, so I'm helping you all. Noah, okay? Mika, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Right, so the again, like I say, Noah, your data is at least you know one of the one is there already. One key one is there. There are certain things they are not there. Like, e-voucher, we don't have a Tableau to show the data. So you need to ask yourself, what additional data sheet do we want to build from Tableau?
Okay.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Don't cram into the existing sheet. We must always have different sheet, right? Okay, got it?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So there are certain things that y'all can combine one. Let me give you an example. Membership sign out, right? Technically, the main sheet already have it, but the main sheet is clear for Noah side. But the main sheet is not clear for Mika side. Why? Randy will classify all the printout sign up all under others. Anything is under others, which also means, right, Mika, you don't know what is others. No way. You don't know is it member portal direct sign up. You don't know is it printout sign up. You don't know is it at the counter sign up. You don't know what.
Yeah, right.
Okay, right. So again, I will need to this sprint planning. We will not go through that, but subsequent sprint planning, you all need to present that. You need to present nothing if there is nothing. Can?
Yeah, can. Got that.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So that's why it is. So Ethan, I know you don't need to do that yet, but I think it's very important. You need to know this because once you can do it, then that's where your seniority can increase. Can you understand?
Yes, I do understand.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So so this part is done. So the key question I have is not about this. I'm not BA. I mean it is important. It's just a reminder. But more important than that is, Budi, you're here. I want you to see that no matter what we are getting, we need that OKR to enhance for the team lead. They must drive technology, pushing product goals. That must be their key job.
Okay.
You got it, right? So because when we say
Yeah.
this goal, right, like why are there no one researching this? Why are there no one talking about AIs? You got it? Yeah. So I am the only dude driving the whole innovation myself. The only thing I'm doing now is with Randy, right? So I need to work with Randy, myself directly, right? To get RFM
Yeah.
out, bluff a bit of AI, not real AI, but bluff the word say AI, correct?
Yeah.
Right. So I think this is part, don't you think the team lead all needs to play a part?
Okay.
Agree, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
If not, how do we see the end goal measurement? Right. So that I think this part is missing. Second part is of course we can do things faster. Means that now that the coding is easier, they are using Claude, they can find bugs better, they can find logics, they can find algorithm, they can find better libraries, they can code more efficiently, they can do unit testing faster themselves, blah blah blah. Right. So given that speed has increased, right? Noah, Mika, and Ethan, what I should be looking at, right, should be the developer. I'm not asking for magic. I'm not saying that one developer suddenly can do 44 user stories. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that at least it should improve, right? It cannot be totally the same, right? Noah, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Oh,
Mm,
you didn't hear me, is it? Did you, when you say sorry, means you don't understand what I'm saying or you didn't heard what I'm saying?
I don't understand what you say.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Assuming there is no improvement in technology, I repeat, the developers themselves are not the researchers. They are not breaking through technology. They are doing standard coding every day. If they are doing coding every day, if they adopted AI such as Claude to check codes, to write codes, to do unit testing, shouldn't the developer improve in their efficiency, which also means they can do more within a month of 22 work days? For example, the story effort used to be 22. Now with AI tool, I should be looking at 30. I'm not saying 40. I'm saying 28. Must be more, right? Cannot be the same, right? The only
Correct.
reason is the same is because you are spending some time to really do R&D. You are testing concept. You are trying to research new grounds. Then okay, I understand. Right? Correct? Am I right to say that?
Yeah, you're right to
Am
say
I?
that.
Yeah. So I hope you understand why Gina reached out to you, right? And that is what I
Yeah.
asked Gina.
I
Right.
have you read my answer.
Yeah. Because I cannot be doing everything myself. I say, Gina, you are TND. You have to do this job. You have to understand each team very clearly. You have to understand management goal and understand each team, not me. Right? So that's why Gina reached out to you. Okay. Yeah. So that's why when you reply to her saying that the team is much faster, right? Then I take out sprint planning and I look, right. I ask Budi, faster man. You get it? Huh?
Yeah, I have explained to Gina like previously BA had to do the sprint planning like
Yep.
with Olymika, and now we have
Yep.
Ethan and Hung support, but now we have
Sure.
like other leader to support and
Sure.
doing
Okay,
the
so
effort.
maybe you don't understand the question, lah, right? So I was talking really about unit developer. I'm not talking about the planning process. Planning process obviously better, right? Because you are hearing directly from the developer. You are not going through middlemen, right? Yeah. Last time everything go through Heng, right? Everything you need to pass message, not sure what they mean, and then pass here, pass there, a lot of steps, right? Now it's directly. They not complicated, they can tell you how long, not long, troubleshooting alternatives straight away from the developer, right? Planning confirm faster, no doubt, right? Yeah, but I'm not asking about planning, I'm asking about resource,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
I'm talking about developer output, developer quality. That's what I mean.
Okay.
You got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so the answer is quantity no change, quality no change, correct? I repeat, quantity is the capacity. Quantity, no change. Quality, in terms of tech breakthrough, no change. Correct?
Overall, it's look like that, but for the correct answer, can you give me time to like do the correct measurable? Like I will consult the estimation within the past 6 months.
Okay, sure. No need 6 months. 3 months will do. No point to go. Oh yeah, 6 months is good. So we can see before and after. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, don't waste too much time. Don't waste too much time. No, don't do that. Now, I mean, you can generally go figure out, but what is more important is what are we changing to be better. No matter how you measure, right, Noah, there will be no difference. You and I both know.
Yeah.
I think we
Correct.
know the number of quantity, there is no big change even if there is. The quality of the tech breakthrough, no discussion was made to begin with. How can there be quality change when there's no discussion? How can there be quantity change when the team members did not use AI themselves? They do use AI, but I don't know how they use it. I don't know really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're right.
Yeah. So you can generally ask them, but I don't think you will have big difference. It's not to fault the developer, don't get this wrong. The whole reason I'm talking to you all is to improve the OKR with the team leads. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, understand?
Understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
Because
Others
we
will
should
be-
we must be one team, right? There's no point we do OKR for the fun of doing OKR. You understand this word? There is no point to do OKR for the fun of doing OKR. It's called paper smart, document smart. We need to be outcome smart.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So okay. Now let's go back to sprint planning. Right. I mean, sorry, Mika. I'm sure you know. Like, come quickly. We go through very quickly. Come, what is some of your product goal and which user story is it related to? All right. You search, right? So Noah, remember including the new ticket we are releasing, right? Recommendation, right? Please put in the tracker to measure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But you didn't. Yeah. So
Yeah.
make sure. Yeah, and also the selling of the e-voucher, right? I think that is more important. Really focus on the e-voucher sales rather than the AI recommend. We all know the AI recommendation fake one, right? Okay, not fake, sorry, but it's not AI, not AI, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put in the planning already. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, so because you know why? It is BAF, it is a user story, you know. To build tracker analytics, isn't it an effort? Isn't it a user story?
Mm.
It's coding time also, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the structure needs to be, the architecture needs to be correct, the database need to be correct to even begin with, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
the last thing we want, right, is to slow down the system also, right? So all these things needs to discuss with product lead also, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, so which means that all BA, your job is to keep discussing product goal with the team lead. And the team lead has to keep giving you the answer. Because the same question I'm asking you, I'll ask them.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah. So okay, Mika, anyone relevant to your user story?
Yeah. Related to me, I have the tickets to implement CDS so that we can increase 30% for more cash flow based
Okay. Yep. This one. Yep. Any
yeah
more?
and the upsell higher 50
Oh really? I don't think
higher
this is
sell
your
on other side.
which part of your CDS do this? Sorry. Which
Yeah,
part?
yes, we will have the tickets to implement the AI upselling on the pass and
Very good. Good job. Very good. Mika, very impressive. Good, you remember. Yep. So this is on pass ordering, waiter, the service crew view, right?
yeah,
So
right.
pass ordering, pass and pause ordering view, right? We don't care amend more or what. Basically, the ordering view for the staff needs to synchronize with Noah in terms of AI.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
but we are not there yet. We cannot measure anything here yet. Yeah,
Yeah.
but we can obviously measure this after CDS is launched. Right? Any more you can measure?
Yeah, for the cash follow,
Any other?
for the cash follow, we
Yeah, say already. I already circle. Skip next. Any others?
yeah, the member side of conversion.
Very good.
We can
Very
do.
good.
Yeah.
Any more?
Mm, yeah.
Okay, I give you a hint. You can skip all this already. Done. Go all the way down. If there's anything that is the most important for you, right? That is the most important for you, right? It is this whole flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but of course not the whole thing, not the whole thing.
Mm.
This. Why do I say that? It's very simple, Mika. Based on how many percentage of people use pass app versus pause app tells you very clearly how much manpower you have saved. In a F&B who uses 80% pause, do you think you have achieved this goal? Simple question.
Yeah.
In a F&B 80% usage pause, 20% pass. Do you think you achieved this goal?
Yeah, cannot.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, which also means, right, now you already can measure. If I'm you, I would be very interested to know of all the merchant who is using pass and pause, we can skip the pause. We can skip only past usage, because if you measure the merchant using only past app, you don't know their pause data. So you can skip that first. It's okay. Yeah. But you should measure merchant who adopted pause and pause. What is the percentage difference?
Yeah. Okay.
Right? And you know why you want to measure this? It's for your next user story. You need to build Gets Plus, right? If you want to build Gets Plus, you need to measure this 10 times even more.
Yeah, right.
The danger about building Gets Plus is, after building Gets Plus, because it's a 2-in-1 system, Mika. 2-in-1 system also means, right, the merchant can ignore QR, right, and just use the pause. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't even reached Gets Plus first level design. I have not seen from you, because I don't want to push you on that first. I want you to finish CDS, but it's taking too long. Sorry, Mika. I really think the CDS validation is taking too long.
Yeah.
Wait.
Mm.
Yeah, I cannot
Maybe
even
next
move on
week,
to Gets
maybe
Plus.
next week I will request the validation for CDS.
Yeah, it's really too long already, way too long already.
Yeah.
Like, if you ask me, even Gets Plus, right, that validation of concept should be fast also. We should talk about, I don't even know what is the first screen you want to think about for Gets Plus. If you ask me the first screen is about cable layout, something is wrong. Again, like I say, if we want to launch a software, we want to drive QR usage first, digital first. Your first landing page can never be facilities.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So there's a lot of design concept if we want to go into Gets Plus, right? But I have anyway, looking at the speed of the team, including BA, right? Looking at the speed of BA and looking at the speed of dev team, I don't think we are ready for Gets Plus anytime soon. And I don't think I will push resource for Gets Plus. I will focus on SaaS. I will keep 2 apps separate, and then we will move already. We will launch SaaS without Gets Plus. Buddy, you hear me? Looking at the speed and the resource, right? No way. I don't think we can wait until Gets Plus finish. We launch SaaS. No way. You agree?
Yes.
How many more years I need to wait? Agree, right? Yeah. We do minor changes on pass and pause, module subscription control on it, and we go already. We launch.
That's it. Yes.
Yeah. So that's one. Maybe minor adjustment for some things. Mika, if I ask you a question, right? Worst case, Budi, or maybe this question can be for you as well. Worst case scenario,
Yes.
right? We force 2 apps, right, into one build with just a big button to switch between pass and pause, but the notifications still run on the background.
Yeah. Printing problem. We need to move the printing. Yeah, printing. I think we can create the background safety for printing. Let me research on this. Yeah.
Yeah. So never mind. We look into that lah. So Budi, Mika, you need to quickly finish CDS lah. You finish CDS, then I can get to a proper discussion. Then we can discuss properly with Budi and you, right? The 4 of us need to be in a meeting. Me, Budi, you, and you. We need to sit down and then say what is the MVP, the minimum viable concept we can launch. For example, Budi just said already, just combine printer module. That's it. Combine printer module first, right? Combine a few key settings first, and then 2 apps into one. You can switch the app, but the notification still runs background. This is called minimum MVP, the most basic.
Yeah, got that.
Yep, you get it, right? Yeah. So, but yeah, your CDS too slow lah. Why?
Yeah,
No,
because currently,
thinking, right?
because currently I have to handle some tickets from server and report in past app to support the online shop to buy the e-voucher balance.
Then I need you to. Okay. Yeah. So how many more tickets do you have before CDS? How many more? Sorry, Mika, can you give me an ETL when you can finish? I cannot be waiting for months after months.
Yeah, next Friday, I sure.
Confirm, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so your top ticket I want to see is really, yeah, I know so wait, are you telling me you are still finishing up the e-voucher stacking, e-voucher redemption? Is that what you're saying?
No, for the bonus e-wallet top-up,
Uh-huh.
add
Okay.
a report and support
Okay.
report for the e-voucher payout.
Oh,
E-voucher,
e-voucher payout? Why
yeah,
e-voucher payout is not?
e-voucher for the report, the incident, like for this this Tuesday we have discussed about the double printout and iPass primary solution.
Got it. Hey, why is it you are? Sorry, I'm curious. Woody, you aware? BA resources is required for double printing. You are talking about the dim sum, right? Long dim sum, right?
Yeah, no, just not incident, not solution. Just the solution. You say me need to write the ticket and validate with you.
Okay. Okay. You're talking about the final resolution, how
Yeah,
to
right.
get the printing correct.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Primary printing, pass primary.
Yeah,
Right?
correct. Yeah.
Okay. So you need you to design the UI UX bar. That's why you're working on it, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Understand. Can. I understand. Okay, I do agree this one need your help.
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Got it. Okay, can. Next week then.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's go back to spring planning. Ethan, you want to try? Although I'm not asking you to measure matrix right now, but you want to try?
Can we do the next week after we prepare the data?
Sorry, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I'm talking about
And
Ethan. I'm talking to Tuan.
you
I'm talking to Tuan.
sorry.
I'm talking to Tuan. Hello, Tuan.
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
Tuan.
Yes.
Yeah, you want to try? What do you think product goals you want to measure for all the tickets you have? You can refer to here or beyond here.
So currently the product goal on top of my head is the SAS, which means we need to launch a free trial for the merchant within 15 minutes with fully integrated omnichannel. And then we want to give them a full
Sorry. I had an incoming call coming. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So that's why. Wait. Do you have? I have something. Which have been trying to call me because it is Buddy, just to share with you. Sorry. I'm thinking whether I should pause this meeting for like 3 minutes because Wee Xiang need me urgently to sign a document. Buddy, you know what is that? It is the ADIAN weaving away minimum usage, which is good.
Okay. Yeah.
So I need to send by today to get it effective. So I think that is priority, right? So why not, Buddy? You can carry on chatting with the GA, to find out more on the developers while I go settle from Wee Xiang sizes. I just signed a doc for you.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, right. You
Yeah.
talk to them. I go. Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Mika. Yeah. Can you open the sprint planning?
Yeah.
The sprint planning.
Open sprint planning. Yeah.
Yes, this one. The available capacity, okay, for iOS.NET QA. Yeah, so we still when you get before the sprint, after the clarification, after the transfer ticket, or when?
You mean when we prepare the sprint planning for the next
No.
month?
So this we have sprint planning for August.
Yeah.
Today is end of August, correct?
Yeah. Today is end of July.
Yeah, end of July. Sorry. Yeah. May I check with you when you get this number? Each ticket. For example, do you have any new ticket? New ticket you haven't transfer with the developers. New ticket. Which one?
New ticket.
Sorry. The next sprint. Do we have any new ticket? BA haven't transferred to the developers.
You mean the new The new tickets
New
and
ticket.
the
Any new ticket. Yeah. Any new ticket.
Any new ticket?
Don't have?
ticket for the
You mean new ticket for this spring or
Uh, this sorry, this sprint is sprint 8 or a sprint 7?
spring 8? August,
Sprint
right?
8, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, August.
The new ticket is
Do we have any new ticket?
yeah. We have the new ticket for e-wallet top up here.
Yeah, we have the post e-wallet top up, MP report, top up and redemption e-wallet report.
All ticket related to top up.
Yeah, here.
Okay. And the capacity? Sorry,
the ticket
the
here is
mandates,
new
they...
top up.
Okay. Did you manage to transfer with them? Not yet.
Not yet, right?
The bonus
Oh,
e-voucher.
not yet. Not yet.
Bonus e-voucher, yeah.
Bonus e-voucher.
Not yet, yeah.
The tickets has not
So,
referred to that team first. Yet.
okay. Okay, so when they give the road estimation, okay, usually how many percent the ticket is ready for no? For example, you still haven't validated, we still need to, usually you will add new acceptance criteria, user story, something like that. So usually how many percent the ticket is ready to transfer to the team?
Đi hết rồi mà.
The reason the reason I'm asking, I only want to know. I only want to know how many percent they put the buffer. Understand?
How many percent they put the buffer? I don't know. Currently I saw.
Yeah.
Currently I see the team use AI for estimation. You can see
Okay.
this. You can see in the big planning sheet from the row number 6 to row number 14.
Okay.
We already
Okay.
transferred
Okay.
and we already transferred
Yeah.
the AI coding. Yeah. Except number 2.
Oh.
So it's like 80 to 90% ticket has already transferred and get estimation from the team. For estimation, the team they do another separate estimation sheet. And currently I observe that they use AI.
Can you share? Can you share to me? Can you share to me? I want to see you as well.
Yeah, for example, we have the ticket like bonus e-wallet top up, and the iOS team has been break down the task and give the estimation like this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me see, please.
And this is for QA team.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you share the link for the estimation?
Yeah.
Can you share the link for the estimation?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this one. Thank you.
I'm back. Finish already. Budi, I finished everything already. We sent the document all signed already. And oh, UOB good news, you heard, right? Google Pay available. Google Pay.
Oh yeah,
Google
yeah,
Pay.
Google Pay.
Google Pay is available and JCB is available. JCB not important, but Google Pay is important.
Google Pay, yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. Okay, so Budi, I guess I wasn't in the meeting at all. I was talking to Wisang all the way. So okay, so yeah, oh, you're trying to get the breakdown, is it? Looking at this.
We are trying to get the background. Yeah.
Yeah. So So anyway, Noah, Mika, the one key thing that Budi and I have been talking is here. Apart from whatever I told you just now, one obvious thing is the QA testing effort has not improved, right? It is like still 2:1. I repeat, right? Like one dev US, it is still equals to almost 2 QA US. Can you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I looked through the whole sprint planning already for the last few months. No change, totally no change, right? Isn't it? This one maybe Noah, you can help me find out, check the data of the sprint planning. Because if you look at your own sheet, I'm looking at your own sheet. Your own sheet, right? You see the QA need at least 2 sprint one. I look at every user story, right? I search the user story over 2 sprint, 3 sprint, right? It is all like, a lot of effort. The QA need to do one time this sprint, another time next sprint. You add the total mandates together, is almost double of every dev US. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what have we improved? I mean, my question to Budi is always, so what's the difference?
This one for sure, no, for sure. Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Budi,
Can you scroll to the top? Sorry, Mika.
Yeah.
Mika, right? Hello. The one who
Back to
controls
the
this.
sprint planning, right?
No, not yet. Back to the estimation.
Yeah.
Just scroll to the top. Okay. Top. Even when I read the row number 4, scroll to the top. Look. Yeah, to write the test case for configuration only is to 0.3 days. Configuration only. Yeah. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, configuration only, right? This one? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Configuration only.
Write the test case for configuration only. Not even the full full story, like no. This one configuration only.
So Budi, all this
0.3 days.
you need to have all.
Yeah.
Budi, you need to have access to all these documents. No? Mika,
Yeah.
can you send all these documents? Then we need to ask Hai during our thing.
Okay.
Don't worry, we won't tell Hai it's from you. We say we go to Mika Drive and pick up ourselves.
No. This is I share. The team, they know it. They know it. Toàn trở thành hot rồi.
Yeah, I will clarify with the team. Yeah. Hello. Oh, Steve. Yeah.
Testing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Yes. Very clear. Yeah. Yeah, I will clarify with the QA again. Yeah. for this one.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, if we see from iOS, can you click the iOS one? Yeah, this one seems normal for me. Yeah,
Mm.
looks normal. Looks normal. Yeah,
Yeah. Sorry,
this
Budi.
one. This one looks normal for me.
You mean normal?
Looks what?
Yeah,
That's
maybe
normal.
normal. The number of mantis looks normal,
Yeah.
but yeah, but for sure they give the buffer for this one for sure.
Thank you.
Mm.
100%, I'm still sure they put the buffer.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Yeah. So BA, you all know, right? If QA delay everything 2 times, right? We don't need to deliver. We don't need to release already. No
Yeah.
matter how fast the developer code, we will always times 2. You all understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Mm.
Yeah. Because Budi and I already talk about becoming QA already. Like I'm going to fly to Indonesia and Budi, and then we go to Vietnam together, see in the office, become QA. Yeah. How to release like that? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Budi, just now we take it with 5. Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Mika send all the main folder to Budi so that we can access all this easily.
Yeah, I sent him as
Yeah. Yeah. I saw you so smart. You send inside requirements planning. You might as well say, Budi, this is to send you all of QA teamwork for you to see. You might as well write. Okay, I'm joking. Okay, come, let's go. Right, come. I hope you all know what I need you all to focus on as BA on product goals. Right. So I start off from Tuan first because we left him out for a while. So Tuan, same thing. Report card, SAS. These are your top 2 tickets. Is the CNS still taking your time?
Currently, no. I'm focusing on merchant report card and SAS.
Good. Focus on these 2, right? So SAS is very big. We always slice up in stages to go, right? I'm sure you got my brief already, right? What is
Yeah.
the 30 minutes worth of journey for the merchant? Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And you need to work very closely with High and no, not QA High, marketing High and design, both designer High and designer Van. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I'm building the script already. Like Irene is building all the marketing script, right? You all I'm sure you all have seen Irene's video, right? Irene now a lot of video on TikTok. Have you all seen?
Yeah, a few.
Have y'all BA, have y'all go to the Get Group channel and look at all the video?
Yeah, we saw that.
Yeah, so imagine marketing is doing so much video, right? For sales, right? We are going to do equally the amount for product as well, right? So every journey, right, is guided, but we are not going to use human to shoot or AI. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Tuan, that's what's installed. I'll be writing the script. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I need you to feed the journey, the script, the video, the stage in. You need to read the video and know when it should be placed. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, understood.
Yeah, okay. Okay, come. We start off the sprint planning by each BA presenting your key ticket first. Any delay in your key. Yeah, we can talk about what we have finished. Once we finish once each of you finish what is completed, the next immediate thing is your key ticket and what is ETR. Let's go.
Okay.
In July, we have just from the team is still my ticket is bonus is equal to top up and
Okay,
just
so okay.
mm.
Yeah. Actually, okay. Sorry for me to interrupt. Like I don't even need you to explain. Just one look is all the same. Budi, look at this.
Correct.
Budi, look at this. Scan. Budi, look at this column. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see the ETL? Yeah. So essentially, you can see majority of this, right? The big bunch is all about top up. Correct, right? BAs, all these are majority top up, right?
Correct.
All the
Yeah.
e-wallet top up, right?
Yeah.
Majority, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you're trying to present to me is that for entire June, July, August, including September, the entire product team is focused on, is committed. Everyone is doing this. I'm looking at this, all September, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. A bit weird, right? Can I scroll down a bit more? What else have we released? We
This
have not
year,
released
August.
anything, right?
Yeah, this
This is
year, spring onwards.
August. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, August. Can we look at July first? July, what have we released? July. Look at July
Right.
first. What have we released?
Bẩm thân 7 thì nhất.
It's end of July already, so we should look at July first. Anything we have released? Nothing, right? July.
Yeah. Okay. Let me share screen.
Mm.
Oh, you cannot start Zoom while other persons. Onion is going to the restroom, so I cannot share screen.
Okay.
So can give us 5 minutes? Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you. Let me talk about the August first, if that's okay.
Oh, sure. But I really want to know what's in July first. Yeah. Why not? I can stop the screen sharing. I will stop.
Yeah.
I will stop. Buddy, you are host. Buddy, you are host. Stop the screen sharing. Hey, no, I'm host. Wait, I'm host. Okay. Let me stop the screen sharing.
Sure.
Okay, once I stop, then you can take over.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see whether you can share. Yeah. Okay. Come, let's look. Yeah, let's take a look at July first.
July, the team had just released the multiple voucher redemption for POS.
Understand?
Yeah. That is for coding.
Wait. POS, not pass. Pass the June already finished, right?
Yeah,
so
pass
this is
and online shop June already.
okay. So this is pause. Pause.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is pause.
Okay. The rest, you see all the PWA, all pending coding. The ETR empty, don't have ETR, so I'm very confused.
The PWA and e-wallet top up we moved to the August. So
Okay.
we think like in July they still coding.
Got it. But still must write the ETR, right? So we know what we are looking at.
Okay. Rồi.
No one. This is something that I'm very puzzled. How come PWA took so many months? I'm really quite puzzled.
Steve, actually the team can be the PWA can be released this month. However, as we discussed on the PWA homepage and e-wallet top up, the PWA home landing page should include the e-wallet top up upselling.
I hear you. Yeah, I know what you mean. But
so this
hang on first. Hang on first. I hear you. So what you are saying is that the PWA has many phases. What you are trying to do is release only when everything is done. I don't think that's the concept, because no, if you remember what I keep telling you, right? We want to test the MVP first. For all you know, right, it doesn't work, right? Building more will fail it. I repeat, right? If our most basic MVP cannot even work in terms of like add to the home screen, why are we spending more coding time on the PWA landing page?
Yeah, right. Okay. I hear you.
Yeah, break the branch. I want the bare minimal out, and run through with me what is phase 1 release, phase 2 release, phase 3 release. We need phase 1 really basic MVP up. We want to validate, can install to the home screen.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
so
that's what I've been trying to. That's what I'm trying to tell you that two things. You hear me quite well. In phase 1, right? I keep saying can install to desktop. No, sorry. Phase one, there is two key goals. One, install to desktop. Two, SSO persistent sign in for membership. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can hear you.
Yeah, that's the two things I keep highlighting, right? Yeah. Do you hear? Yeah. So one is persistent sign in for membership. Two is add to desktop. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So this was the very, very early at least 3-4 months ago, we talked about it. That's why when I keep asking him, is it released? Not released. Then we add on more feature. Because the more feature we add on, if we cannot even prove MVP work, we are wasting time in terms of 2, 3, 4. You understand?
Understand.
Yeah. So launch it. Break the branch. Break the code and launch.
Yeah, sure. I have checked the charts. If so, we can release on mid of August. Let me ask developer to build the test production for you.
Yep. Build a test production for me, right? Send me the link directly.
Yeah,
Right. Even SIT, I'm fine as well, right? At least I take a look at the UI and the UX flow.
Okay.
Yeah. Because now we have too many versions in already. Actually, to break the code, I think they need time also. Right. But again, Noah, please reminded, we go in stages. Don't try to overachieve. Because if phase really, you know what I mean. In stage one, it doesn't work, right? All the coding effort is wasted for stage 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
I got it.
Right. Okay. Come. Let's go.
But for PWA, I still need to discuss with you about the metric. I have discussed with developer already to measure the installation rates and
Very good. Good job. Yep, very good. I think the number one matrix is of course how many people install to the whole desktop, right? Then there are things very hard to measure, like the persistent sign in. Honestly, that one shouldn't be. Yeah. I would not measure full persistent sign in, but rather I would measure how many times it failed to sign in. Like, is it working? It's more on, I would say it's more on bully side, this one. It's not on your side. It's more like failure rate. Right. Yeah. I don't want to tax you on the failure rate. Failure rate means it's actually an incident, right? Technically, it should be persistent sign in, right? But for some reason, it's not being persistent sign in, right? Yeah. Can you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah. So I think the most basic one is really installation. But as you correctly mentioned, we have other phases in this, including the camera scanning, including the vouchers purchase.
Yeah, we have all.
Correct. But there are things that we don't want to measure, like camera scanning. Honestly, forget it. That's not a product goal, right? But things like is the PW page actually selling vouchers? Yeah, that's something we maybe want to measure as well, right? Which also means that very good question, right? So Noah, if your question is what exactly are we measuring, I would say that we are not really measuring PWA. PWA, the only core thing is the installation. We want to measure the installation. But beyond PWA, for example, you talk about membership sign up, e-voucher, these are not PWA, but rather you are measuring e-voucher purchase, but different channel, which also means that you want to build a Tableau that shows e-voucher purchase across different services, different channel, so that we know, right, based on that, which one is generating, the conversion on each one. Like people go to pick up and delivery. Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah. Understand.
Yeah,
I will
I will
further on by next week with you when we have the bill.
Sure. Yeah, sure. We can go through that. Again, like I say, next week, I'm not expecting perfection, but at least have an active discussion. What are the metrics we want? How do we break the matrix? So to let you understand, e-voucher is a goal by itself. E-voucher is a product goal, right? Just that the product goal sits into PWA. So which means PWA become a subset of the goal.
Yeah. Okay. Understand.
Yeah. Give me a moment. I need to set. Yeah. Okay. I think should be okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's carry on. Let's carry on.
Okay. Next is the team is testing on the phase 1 of AI upselling. How to generate the top 10 best-selling item on the homepage and other tracker.
So this one. Yep. Correct. So this one we don't have an ETR. Is there a reason?
Actually, we have the ETR. Let me check.
No, somehow it's not inside the screen. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me check with the QA
Yep.
recommended.
Yeah, but anyway, you go ahead and check. You slowly take your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you fill in, you can fill in, take your time and fill in. I talked to Budi. Budi, you can see, right? Quite challenging, right? Like per sprint, we release very little. You can see,
Yes, correct.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you ask me specifically in July, right, we technically only launch or release 3 user story, or it's not even 3 user story. Yeah, it's kind of like related, right? So we only release
Yeah.
1 user story, all right? Strictly
Yeah.
speaking, yeah, points. Okay,
Yeah.
points to normal voucher. Yeah, and then it's still it's still about the voucher redemptions, right?
Yeah.
So the entire July we technically only release 1 thing, right? Or 2 thing, 2 thing, right?
Yeah. This one allow me to investigate properly because I'm too focusing on incident SSS file. So start
No,
August.
we will do it together.
Let me take
Sorry,
this. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello,
I'm not
hello,
asking you
hello.
to get the answer. I'm saying that this. Yeah. My
Yeah.
network a bit bad. Let me check my. Yeah. So basically, Budi, what I'm saying is we need this kind of numbers and quantification to
Yes.
align the scope of the team lead, to let them look at the data and ask themselves what exactly is the outcome we want to achieve for the company, you see. Yeah, because
Yeah.
if not, they will just focus on their own documents only. They just think
Yes.
that whatever they document, they write, right? Copy and paste from
Yeah.
here, right? That's OKR. That's not. Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. That's all for July. Can we move to the AI upsell engine phase 1 is mid-August or so, Steve?
Yeah, why you never write down? Why you cannot write? Is it a formula problem?
Yeah, this is because people problem is me. I forgot to add the ETR. Sorry. Just I forgot to add the ETR. No problems. Hello. What we doing? Hello. I cannot hear you, Steve.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I think he got a problem with his network.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. I think he's outside the office. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Moving to somewhere else. Maybe Jakarta. Yeah.
No mic.
Testing. Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, great. Okay, I switched network. Okay. All right. Okay, good. Noah, this why we don't fill in the ETR? Sorry.
Yeah, this because of me. I forgot to fill in the ETR. I missed it. I missed the.
Oh, okay. Then why don't we fill in now? Do you want to fill in now? Or
Yeah, I fill in already. I fill in the ETR here.
can you fill in now? Do you have the answer?
Yeah, here. Steve, can you see my screen?
Oh. I can see your screen. I'm talking about the rest below.
The rest of this. I fill in the August. Let me move to. Mọi người vô điên giúp em cái động đi với. Thằng bảy á.
Yeah, so the reason I'm asking is although coding effort is 0, it is all, Budi, you can see, right? This is all QA job. Is it QA is delaying this release? And then down here, yeah. So correct me, Noah, what you're trying to say is that developer effort, QA effort, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, okay.
But to make sure, the sheet is like I just enter the original estimate. For the actual estimate, it maybe have the variant. So allow me some time to enter the correct actual working man days, and then we can discuss. We can see the correct number in next week.
Yeah, sure. But
Yeah.
I need to pause. I need to pause all of you for a while. Okay, never mind. Scroll down this list again. Scroll down. I want to see more. Scroll down. Not too fast. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay, yeah, scroll down. You can fill up each page fully. That means once you cut off at here, you show the rest. Stop. You're not understanding what I'm trying to say. Go back all the way. Go back. Okay. So now, right? So we are doing all the way. This is e-wallet. This is e-voucher, bonus e-voucher. Okay. So, and the starting from here. You get it, right? Can you hear me? Hello, testing.
Yeah, cannot, sorry.
Testing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, cannot.
Test.
I
Is it
can
okay
hear
now?
you now. Yeah, okay now.
Okay. Yeah. So after you finish this screen, the next don't keep scrolling, but you need to fill up. Yeah, it's very laggy. Hang on. Okay. So you scroll finish, you start the next one and stop there. Can you scroll all the way out and stop here? Yeah, don't keep scrolling. Yeah, so I need to categorize it, right? You get it, right? Yeah.
That's okay now.
Okay, hang on. Yep. Yeah, so sorry. I'm trying to look at this. I don't quite get it. Like how come the iOS team is coding on this already? Mika, can you help me understand?
That's the estimation.
Like all this.
No, that's just the estimation, not coding. The efforts for estimation.
Okay. So hang on. No one help me understand, right?
Yeah.
Which one is what are effort completed by the respective team member in this sprint? It's getting more and more complicated now. Right. So how do I know what is effort committed versus planning?
This
Out of this whole
JKL.
sprint, simple question. Oh, okay. JKL is the code. Oh, okay. Got it. Then can you scroll a little bit? Yeah, hang on. Yeah, very hard to read. Hang on. Okay, Ken. JKL is committed.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Got it. Clear. Okay, Mika, good. I'm looking at least you are putting inside your backlog already. Right. Finally, I'm seeing all these things showing. Right.
Yeah.
So all these things are now showing inside here. Okay. Yeah, and okay. Noah, carry on to scroll and stop here. Yeah, I'm sure you know what to do, lah, right? I don't need to keep repeating how to scroll. Okay. Mika, all this thing, right, is the resource. Who is the resource? Are you sure this is by the two iOS team member, or this is by incident team? Can you understand my question?
Yeah, actually, I'm not sure the efforts from the incident or the effort team.
Yeah, it's very important, because when we account to resource, right, we are not accounting, the team lead with those. Budi, who is handling incident coding?
Currently still you. Yeah.
Is the team
Hello?
lead themselves, is it? Team lead themselves.
Yes. Yes, still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Mika, you understand? So the very fact of how we use the sheet is all wrong already, right? So Noah and Mika, if it's by we still enter inside, which also means our available capacity, right? We need to ask ourselves, is it really only two developer? And this one is coded by who? Can you all go check it out? Noah and Mika, I want clear answer. So I need a different color or different column, right? If there is if you are trying to account this inside, right, then I need a different column, right? If the resource is different. Can you understand?
Yeah, can.
Yeah, can.
Right. If you need to have two iOS columns, so be it. Right. I need to be very clear. Okay, let's have two columns. Two iOS, two cloud. Because if you all start writing incident inside here, then I need it to be different as well. Right. Yeah. So if you want to keep this to new, you create another column for others like SSS and incident. Then do it differently because the resources are different.
Yeah, I think we should allocate the ticket in different sheets for incident, not in the feature planning.
Yeah. Not just incident, SSS is also Budi side.
For the JQL actual coding and testing time,
Yeah.
I think the number is not too accurate. So let me check with the team. I will send you by next week.
But okay, can you all decide whether you want to put everything within one sheet or two different sheet? If two different sheet, I also still want to see it under the sprint 8 because it's still relevant.
Okay, so
you can create two sprint 8. You can create two sprint 8 worksheet, or you can one sprint 8 worksheet, everything inside here. Up to you.
I think okay. So I will create one only and categorize incident, asset, and feature.
Sure.
Is that okay?
Sure. Yeah, it is good also to put everything in because we can then see which are the relevant tickets as well.
Okay, so available capacity, I will change to 3.
Yeah. No, you cannot just change like that. Cannot because cannot be just wait. Budi, the team lead don't commit 100% coding effort, right?
Yeah,
right. No.
Yeah. So
No.
Noah and Mika, can you all talk to Budi and ask, why don't you talk to the team lead directly and know exactly how much effort they are coding? Can understand?
Okay.
Got it, right? So don't just write, don't assume. Ask them exactly.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So wait, I'm reading. So okay, all this, some are incident, some are campaign level marketing fee. Okay. Catering. Yeah, all this not started, right? Catering is not started yet, right?
Yeah, not started yet.
Okay, got it. So it's a lot of backlog lah. So we are just putting all the backlog discussion here.
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
okay. And hang on. Yeah, how I selection for scaling. How is this? Yeah, can we be more specific? When we say hardware, we are talking about what, printers, right? Bluetooth printers, right? Or what? Or KDS, or what are we talking about?
No.
Printer, yeah, printer.
KDS and printer.
Yeah.
Okay. We will update the name.
Yeah. Yeah, can you change the name right now? Like, hardware selection, one is Yeah. Able to change?
Yeah, can. Placing. Điều chỉnh thành vị trí là hiển nhiên.
Hiện miệng đó, tại nó nằm trong cái scope AAS đấy.
Ở trong cái scope roadmap cũng có đấy.
Để xem, để tìm lại.
Đó. Đây.
Hardware scale. Primary service mode là KDS.
Not just that, not just this. I'm quite sure I talk about, yes, this is Bluetooth printer is one. Second is KDS, don't need to use iPad, right?
Avoid having capable running, avoid integrating with
So I repeat it. Yeah, I repeat again. You want to put bullet point. Yeah, one is yes. Yeah. What primary? Yeah, okay, primary. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay, KDS. Okay, can, yeah, correct. Yeah, so but KDS hardware is not about primary service, it's about what hardware for KDS do you want, right? No, no lah. These are not 0.3, 0.4 lah. Every there is, yeah, these two are sub pointers explanation, not point. The main 2 point is KDS hardware and printer hardware. Do you get it? KDS, we don't want to use iPad. Why do we need an iPad for KDS? It can be any touchscreen tablet, right? Can you understand?
Yeah, can.
Yeah. Why do we need a iPad for KDS? No need, right?
Mhm.
We can actually go web view. We can actually control using any tablet, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, you get it. So you must state KDS, ideally any tablet web view.
Thôi chị đi.
It's not about primary service mode. Yeah, primary service is KDS, but what about hardware? Because your title is hardware selection, right?
Any tablet gì?
Web view, Adobe web view. Tablet.
Yeah.
我自己开，你开始我开。
Giải cũ đi chơi, đừng có nghe giải cũ đi, toàn nghe không giải cũ đi.
诶，不知道不要用 Q 啊？不要用 Q 啊？哦，为什么你要带？我们就哇，练 double pay 耶！哇，这样我们还2次了。哎，为什么你拿那个卡过去？哦。Okay, yeah. So, Nian done?
Yeah.
Okay, carry on scrolling. Page by page,
Yeah. The rest is group order, in group order enhancement. Add allow customer to add more item.
I know. Yeah.
Because yeah. Pay on mobile. Nó có cái SSS như
Yeah,
vậy.
it's very messy right now. All the SSS tickets are all merged inside here right now. Yeah, very hard to read.
Nên Hưng add để xóa đi thì.
Khoan, từ. Xóa sao? Chứ mới xóa là rối. This is added by Hưng. Let me double check and.
Yeah, never mind. Carry on scrolling. Cut off. Page by page.
Okay. We have another ticket for regarding CX SIM requests for how to assign multiple provider. Yeah. It's done for requirement, but haven't start coding.
Sorry, it's done for record. Okay, done for record, but haven't started coding. Okay. Yeah, I think there is something a lot more urgent than this, right? You saw in incident, I asked Kelly to clarify, right? Hui don't know what he's talking about. I really don't know what Hui is answering a lot of time. Right. So the incident that we are all talking about is if the merchant assign, after the fulfillment time, right, the auto assign logic will fail. Can you all read, just read what KD has written, right? So there is a clear issue here. Nian, in this ticket, that ticket is for you, right? So that ticket is an incident. It needs to be solved.
Yeah.
Budi, can you look at that and make sure that this is inside incident report and solve it in incident, right?
Yeah.
So in incident,
Yeah.
there is Kaylee wrote that auto assign will fail if the order past fulfillment time that's it will fail.
Issue number
It's
3.
very
Yeah.
So let me explain this, Nian and Budi. In a delivery operation, right? Especially when we cannot find rider, right? And the fulfillment time fail, right? And I'm talking about fulfillment pickup time. So Nian, I ask you a simple question. Is this order become more urgent or less urgent?
Yeah, more
I
urgent.
repeat, more urgent, right? Very urgent, right? And then our most important function failed. Why? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mm.
So when the order passed fulfillment pickup time, suddenly our system will auto disable, auto assign. What kind of logic is this? Who gave this logic?
Oh, yeah. What that?
Yeah, what kind of logic is that? At the most important hour and minute of a delivery, we choose to stop automation. So can you fix this, Nian? Make sure this is fixed immediately.
Yeah, can. Not that.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
And during peak hours, we keep facing this, The CS team sure all miss pickup time one, no riders. And when the situation is the worst and that we need AI, we need automation, right? And then automation fail on us. And then we need to hire so many CS members just to do this job. Not smart, right?
Yeah. Okay, I will
Okay.
work with the incident team and create a ticket to solve that.
Actually, I don't think you need to create a thing. Yeah, you could. Budi, I don't think you need BA for this, right, Budi? It's
No need. This one for
zero
sure.
UI.
Logic failed. Yeah.
Yeah,
Logic
this is
failed. Yeah.
there's zero UI for this. Just get you to fix
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
We need to fix the repair for B. Yeah.
correct. So
Yeah.
straight away in August. So Mika go to August, put in the ticket and commit. Put a placeholder first.
Okay.
And you know what? I think CS team has been requesting this for 2 years already. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, search. Make sure it's not inside here first. You do a quick search. I don't think it's written here, right?
Yeah. It's not written here.
Yeah.
Let me insert the tickets.
Sure. Scroll down. Next go.
Next pay rates.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit confused here. So Noah, I firstly I appreciate that all the merchant feature requests is written. Quite obvious, some of them are merchant feature requests, right? Like this one obviously is merchant feature request, right?
Correct.
Right? Yeah. So I think there is some slight improvement here that you are trying to put in everything already. Right? Early on it's missing, you remember. Remember I always tell BA like, hey, when you are talking in feature request group, when you all always tell the requester, oh, we are not sure, we will check with PO. And I always tell you all have never come to me, you all have not discussed to me before. And after I gave that comment, I can see that you all are trying to make the effort to put inside the sprint planning sheet, right? Yeah, but I need clarity also, right? Which merchant,
Okay.
yeah. Like you don't even write which merchant. Nobody is still considered no discussion if I'm just reading the text. Right.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, my Chrome shut down. So I just open it again. Yeah, for the merchant name, I put in the column N here.
Column where? Which column?
Yeah, this column.
Sorry. Wait.
Oh, can you see my screen?
Yeah. Oh, so far away. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can we put it? Okay. Can.
Yeah, can. I will move it.
It's okay. It's okay. Can. Yeah. What is only one merchant requested, right?
Yeah, this
And what template are they talking about? What is called update the template? Is there anything more specific other than update template?
single order ticket, David.
Yeah, because currently for the POS app, we don't have the single sheet for label printer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Are you sure? We don't have single order sheet, cannot be lah.
we
Huh?
don't have the single sheet implement on the label printer.
Cannot be lah, cannot be. I don't agree. No single order sheet for label printer. You sure? Then I need you to verify the statement.
I mean the template for the label printer. Yeah, if they use the label printer and print the single order sheet, they can, but the template is not correct. It will be big for this template.
I don't understand. Sorry, I totally don't understand. All right, say again. So what is the problem?
Yeah, problem like on the POS app, we don't have this template, the label printer template for single order sheet. So if the merchant still setting the single order sheet for label printer, it will be print the normal template.
You sure this is our missing requirement or is an incident? I want you to think carefully,
The missing
Is it
requirement.
possible?
Yeah.
You sure? Wait, pass have, pause don't have. How about pass?
Pass have. Yeah, there is an incident.
Yeah, so how can this be? Sometimes I really don't understand the thing. Like, why do you need a PO for this? Mika, I ask you a question. Do you need to go through me? What do you think is my answer?
We must implement that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, do you even need to validate with me?
Yeah, no. I think it can implement, but the effort is we don't have enough effort to that. So
How did we even launch POS without single order cheat on? Who passed the QA test? How does it even happen, man? You sure it is not an incident? You sure not somebody override it? You sure we never released single order cheat before? I can tell you, I don't trust the team. Every time they say don't have, but actually last time have. But we released before, but something went wrong. In the meeting with Hai, you also heard, right? Like, early on when somebody tell me during the incident of the dim sum, right? So what was the test case that I asked him many times? Then he said actually this was available, but it was not. Wait, what was that? Yeah, but anyway, can you go check? I don't believe, right? We released POS, right, for label printer only for total order sheet, and we never released for single order sheet. How can it be possible? You sure, Mika? Were you in charge of this ticket? No, right?
yeah, no, not
Oh,
me.
yes. Yeah, you get what I mean, right? How is it possible that we release POS only do sticker for total order sheet? Can you believe it? Is it even humanly possible?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what we are doing. I'm wasting so much time, right, looking at all this nonsense. Like, cannot even focus on doing the proper sprint planning, right? So, can you just when you say not enough effort means what? Like, Budi, I want you to hear this. Come out from the BA communicated by you. No effort, like to do single order sheet on the POS, which is the same format as a pass, no effort. Very big effort. So, Mika, when you say such statement, tell me how much effort. No effort means what? How much effort? Who is coding? As a BA, we need to be responsible. I already tell you, iOS got 3 members, 2 code new ticket. You got incident, he fixed himself. So when you say this statement, no effort. Whose effort? Mika, can you answer the question? You commented no effort. Can you describe what is no effort? Whose effort? Which team member?
I assume that is from the future team.
Huh? What is called future team?
Feature team.
Why is it feature team? Why is this new feature? Can you hear me?
Okay, I hear you. Clear?
Is this incident or is this new feature?
This is
I have
incident.
enough of this. I'm so sorry, right? Noah, Mika, and Tuan. When you all look at this, right? Is this not incident? You mean this is a requirements problem? Is this requirements problem or is this incident?
Yeah, it's an incident. I got you. I
Yeah,
will work with
please.
you.
Just get it fixed. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, if every product we release, right, we purposely miss something and then blame it on requirements group, I think that is irresponsible. Mika, you go and check the ticket for label printing. I am 1 million times, 1 million% sure, right? The requirements is written. How can we purposely don't write single order chip requirement? Do you think so? Do you think it's possible?
Yeah, no.
I can tell you what went wrong. Quite obvious, right? When the iOS team coded this, they cannot code finish. They just say, oh, cannot code finish, we release first. Now tab. Cannot code finish, they just release. And then everybody forget. Back then, our SM is bad. No SM never do the job. BA forget. Dev team forget. Everybody just forget. Can you understand?
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, it's just like, for example, I say voucher stacking. It is the BA job to make sure the next sprint has this. Correct?
Yeah,
Because the developer say, oh, I cannot finish. Okay, cannot finish next sprint, you carry on, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
then for some reason, everybody never write in the sheet. Everybody ignore. iOS team also ignore. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, just fix that, okay? Yeah. So, okay, let me finish the rest.
The rest is our merchant request backlog and some from internal request like 3P. No, from CS request.
Yeah, I find that it's not very clear. Like all merchant, even your writing is not clear, right? All merchant. If it's from internal, can you state exactly which team?
Sure.
Where is the column for our product goal related ticket? No one has the format change. Why is there totally no definition for core goals?
Yeah, the format hasn't changed. I just put in the backlog sheets. Let me put another column in the sprint also.
Yeah, it's too far away already. The eye cannot read. Yeah, I think all the most important column go to the front, right? So right after this, right after columns A, B, C, yeah, it should be column D, right? Column D should indicate this is call go. And then, you want to have one more column for which merchant or raised by which merchant. Yeah, we can put it behind that.
Okay.
Yeah, who and why always come first, right?
Sure. Can I update it later?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so put a placeholder first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I want to know the roadmap. Is it a call go, right? And I also want a requester. Requester.
By
OR. Requester. ER. Requester by. Yeah, sure. Can.
okay. Yeah. Mm, the rest is all merchant related.
Go all the way to the end. I have not finished reading. Stop there.
Yeah.
No, just now is not here. Where did we stop just now?
This one.
Yeah, go in sequence. Don't jump.
Okay.
What is this? Why is there such a weird ticket here? Is that an incident? What do you mean by we cannot apply points on grand total? Is that true? Mika, do you understand this?
Yeah, I understand that.
No, I don't know. I don't understand. Can you tell me what is this? I have no idea what is this, man.
Yeah, when we implement the function for point apply on grand total, we figure that the one merchant is using this option apply point on grand total. So we already enhance that for online shop and pass app.
Wait. Are you talking
And
about the sub? Wait, stop. Are you talking about the subtotal, the sub pricing mode incident? What is this? I don't understand this. Is this an incident or what? Is this sub pricing mode? Is this the same incident we are talking about? Sub pricing mode versus net pricing mode?
no.
So what is this? Can I have all these columns down here? So one more column, please. No, I want to know whether it's incident or user story. It's getting so messy now. No need. We use the roadmap. If it's an incident, we just highlight its incident. Yeah, all the incident highlight, please. Yeah. So Mika, is this an incident or not an incident?
This is an incident.
Reported by who?
Not reported from the merchant. This is the missing stuff from us, but yeah, it's still the
Is it a
incident.
state? Just last few weeks ago, we discussed about sub-pricing. The last meeting we had, sub-pricing error, right?
Yeah.
Not you, previous BA implement wrongly, nobody calculate, all the calculation went wrong. Is this the same ticket? Do you remember the incident?
Yeah, I remember that.
So where's that ticket?
That ticket Sao nhỉ?
Cái này là ở trong page nào rồi đúng không?
Cái này lâu lắm rồi ấy. Ý là cái hồi mà em làm cho Hy Sinh xong cái pass online shop pass xong rồi cái có thời gian mà nói
Không, ông
để
hỏi
làm.
cái bữa ấy, ông hỏi cái tuần trước ấy. Cái tuần trước có ticket chưa?
Cả cả tuần. Yeah, for the previous meeting I send you the information, so please help me to check that and give us advice.
Answer my question. Answer my question. Where is
Là
the
hỏi có
ticket in
ticket chưa
sprint
ấy.
planning? Don't deviate my question. Don't
I
suddenly
feel,
push the blame
not
to
yet,
me.
not yet.
Stop
I will
pushing the
create it
blame.
now.
Allow me to explain.
So who is handling incident now? Buddy, are you aware? Like everything is very confusing right now, you know. Now I look at sprint planning, it becomes like incident is my job now. So I need to look at all the things. I need to sort out between incident and new feature. Right. I'm getting quite confused right now. So now becomes what?
Yeah, sorry, allow me to explain.
Ah.
Last week meeting, we had a discussion regarding pay now discount rates, and we figure out on
Not
surprise.
not pay now. What pay now? We are talking about sub pricing and net pricing. We are talking about, you know, the logic of CRM applying discount on the grand total, and the formula is completely wrong.
Yeah,
The way
right.
we reflect the numbers, it's all wrong. Basically, we apply at the grand total and we keep the subtotal, you know, whatever. You know what exactly is the error of the calculation, right?
Yeah,
We cause
remember.
the merchant to pay more GST and tax, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Remember, and that discussion haven't created a ticket yet. This ticket is regarding a missing subtask when we implement apply points on grand total on sub pricings for
Yeah,
POS.
so
Yeah.
can write properly. Right.
Okay.
What is can yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I
this is
don't.
actually, honestly, to be honest, this is not considered as incident because at the time we implement apply point on grand total for sub pricing, we only do for online shop and pass app. And consider that only one merchant who turn on the point on grand total. So
Okay.
we decide to like put the pots in the backlog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Carry on first. Carry on the next page. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want to comment. This is the first time I'm looking at all merchant requests thrown inside here. Sorry, Noah. As I praise you to say good job, put it inside. But at the same time as well, I'm getting a very bit frustrated because right, like suddenly all the merchant feature requests suddenly one time appear down here. I got no idea which merchant, when was it requested, what is the impact. It's like, you know what I mean, right? It's like suddenly, right, you are giving me a 6 months worth of homework to analyze right here immediately and look at which one is higher priority, right? And all the product goals is drowned inside. I don't know where's my key product goal. I'm looking at a bunch of merchant requests that was never discussed with me. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm getting a bit frustrated because it's packed of too many things right now. Yeah, and there's no clear grouping. So I need to scroll left, scroll right, look left, look right. I cannot even figure out it's from which merchant, right? Yeah, so it's not easy. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I get it.
It's a compilation of many months, right? It is not even a 1 week worth of discussion, right?
Yeah, right.
How am I able to give you an answer if I'm supposed to look at suddenly a 6 months or 12 months worth of merchant feature requests thrown inside suddenly?
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I will consolidate and give you the more clarified.
Yeah. Let's not waste time, right? Let's not waste time. I don't want to waste everybody's time by looking this. So, Noah and Mika, I want you all to do this. I want this column to be sorted very clearly. Tell me, tell me whether is it new feature. When I say new feature, it must be bracket. New feature as it is. New feature bracket product goal. Key goal. Can you understand? So I repeat, there will be inside here. One is new feature or new feature key goal. The second one will be merchant request, feature request, merchant request. Third will be incident. I want this to be sorted very clearly. And I want it to be filtered based on key goal discussion first.
Okay.
Can you understand? Yeah, the way you are putting this shit, suddenly this a mix of everything inside, right? Which is very different from early on. And now I need to spend a lot more time, to analyze this. Yeah, it is important. Firstly, good job by putting everything in, but at the same time, you need to facilitate your information clearly for your audience, right? Which is me, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, if not, I'll be spending a lot of time asking every question. Like, I need to base on my own memory, which one is it, right? But any case, I don't want to waste time. Today, I just want to focus on new feature key goal. I want all of you to update me. Where is the planning for that? Don't show me a wave, a sea worth of like 300 tickets. Like suddenly, all the merchant requests suddenly appear in this sprint, right? I appreciate it, but at the same time, I don't quite fully appreciate it as well. Like, I don't have a time norm for when they requested for this. I don't even know is this P0, P1 merchant, right? Because I need to scroll left, scroll right, scroll left, scroll right. And I cannot even, like, some of the feature requests might not be even necessary key in. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of work on my side, right? So so I hope BA, you all need to know that your job is not admin. Admin means, right, CS member asks merchant request for this feature, and then BA is okay, thank you, noted. I will put inside the sheet and I will let the PO read himself. Not correct, right? Sorry to ask Noah and Mika, what do you think your role is? Let's say you key in this role, right? You key in this word, merchant request, right? Throw in one thing down here. What do you think is the minimum thing you should analyze? Is there anything? You are BA, right? Is your job just admin stuff? Admin stuff means, right, CS raise something, you copy, paste, insert. Or you think there's something more? Anything else? Mika, you want to try? So if a CS team tell you, and then you, okay, noted CS team, we will ask PO, and then you copy, paste, put inside. Anything else?
Yeah, we need to clarify the requirement, analyze the data for which merchants to want this feature, something like that. So we will discuss with you.
Before you discuss anything to me, what else do you think you should at least have? What information should you have? Yeah. So come repeat just now what you say. What else you want to understand before you just copy paste and tell me to read everything myself, analyze everything myself, pull out data everything myself? What else do you think you should be doing as a BA?
Yeah, I need to understand the request, the purpose of the merchant, the solution, the feature they want. So analyze that, and then I need to analyze the which merchant has already request this function. Analyze the data related.
What data? What data? What data related? Don't just talk theory.
Maybe which merchant still request that.
What do you mean by what merchant request that? Sorry, I don't understand. Be more clear on what you are saying. Noah, you want to share your thoughts on this as well? So CS team raise a request. Yes, good. Right. So raise a request. You're now you are trying to look back the whole backlog. Some of this request looks like 6 months old, right? So now suddenly everything surfaced. And yeah. So anything you all need to do other than just copy paste inside here?
When CS team requests, we have to ask back to the CS team and merchant if any, like clarify exact the pain point they're facing, if we can fix this right away or not, and then align it with product goal. if it's related to our product goal, we can create the ticket and discuss with you right away. If not, we will put in the backlog and then until spring planning, we can discuss.
Yeah, I think the first part is very good. So the first part you mentioned that when CS talk to y'all, and y'all should clarify first, right? What are they asking for, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of always just, okay, we'll talk to PO, we'll talk to PO, we'll raise to PO. Talk to CS, right? Why are they requesting this, right? What is their real problem, right? Correct? Yeah, and if you can figure out their real problem, advise them something without coding that can solve their problem, right?
Yeah.
And I appreciate that kind of conversation that you will call me and you will message me and identify, because the thing is very simple. CS team try to understand the merchant. Firstly, it is the job of CS team to understand the real concern of the merchant. Do you all know? Do you all know what is the CS team job?
Yeah.
Firstly,
Clarify
you all
who
know,
are
right? Yeah, CAR, concern, assurance, resolution, which is workaround. I repeat, they only have the most basic. Their framework is very big. They have CARRRS, right? So the triple R at the back, I don't want to talk. Let's talk about CAR, the most basic. CS team job is number one. If they don't understand the merchant concern, they better don't escalate anything. You understand what is called concern? Concern means a real business concern. Is it financial error? Is it sales loss? Is it operational error? They better be very clear on it. Understand? So if they ask anything and they never, it is the job of BA to say, can you state the real concern of the merchant? Can you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because they are trained to do so and they are the one talking to the merchant. All right. Okay, that's the first thing, right? And after they say finish, then of course I do, expect the BA should be able to understand our product better than them, right? So, but I think you all are not trained enough yet. I don't know. I'm not sure. No, you're not in the meeting. I am with Mika and you and Budi, right? So you don't know what is happening across printing, right? You know how many merchant want to cancel us because of printing, or how many merchant has canceled our services because of printing, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and not a single one in the entire company, right, tell each other, guys, stop using printer, use KDS.
Okay.
Like, we should know our product goal and we should advise the merchant correctly, use KDS, right? We will set up the KDS. But of course, I recognize that if you all do not know how to communicate with the merchant, that it takes skill to communicate to the merchant. You want people to use KDS, you need to tell people how much money can be saved, right? You don't just tell merchant, hey, merchant, I got KDS, do you want to use? The merchant sure get angry and tell you to come and fix the problem. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm sure you all see what I wrote, right? Did you all see what I wrote inside incident and everything? Like, how to talk to the merchant, how to, what is the proper step to use to communicate to the merchant on why KDS is better than the printer. Have you all seen that message?
Yeah, I seen it. Explain
Yeah.
the free fully integrated and highlight the difference.
Yeah, so I hope BA has the basic skills of being able to quantify as well, right? So that when you explain to the people know why, and not just another function feature talk, like, oh, we got KDS, want to use KDS. Nobody wants to use it, right? And also the other issue is like, for their situation of but partly because of, so I'm not saying BA is the first approach, no, right? Because the CS team will never talk to you all about incident. The CS team will only go to incident room, go to QA. That's why I'm training QA equally as much as well, right? Because you look at the entire company, right? When a problem happens, no one, I really highlight, no one, not a single soul, actually think how to provide a workaround to the merchant. Can you understand what I'm saying, B? Like, we let the merchant just keep getting angry, getting more and more angry. And then we spend all our time, commit our members to go and find the root cause and only the root cause. And honestly, if we are fast in root cause, yeah, maybe we can find the answer and fix it. Okay. But this merchant has been suffering for more than 2 weeks. Today is counting day 14, where all the paper are not printed. the food is not served, the customer refund. Do you think the merchant is patient to wait for us for the root resolution or the final resolution? The
No.
merchant already said by 1st of August, tomorrow, we don't fix it, full refund.
Mm.
And we still never come up with a workaround for the merchant. So what I need the BA to do is down here. I'm sure there are tickets that you were know on. And our QA team, don't know why, right? Also focus on finding the root cause and the bug. I need you all to also educate the QA, right? What is called fixing a problem without coding.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah, I know it. Provide a workaround to resolve it
Yeah,
as much as possible.
exactly. Right. And yeah, there's a lot more I want to say, right? Like, down to iOS team, every day just focus on the data and then, ignoring the network situation. How can the iOS team don't understand network? How can the QA don't understand network? It is their job to do testing every single day. They should know better than anyone else. If the network jam, what does that mean? And it is their job to be able to advise anyone from PTS to PM. Guys, why are you using the merchant network? Why are you not isolating our own network and doing our own communication and printing? Why are we using a merchant network? Let's say if the QA team and the iOS team not smart, right? But the most basic question they should ask is PTS and PM, how many devices are connected to the network you are using? They should at least ask question like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I have to ask Alex to go on site, give me a report, write down wired devices connected how many, wireless devices connected how many subnet, speed test, give me the model of the router. If you don't provide this, how do you tell the merchant, if you carry on this setup, it will sure fail. I cannot help you. The only way to solve this is new network.
Mm-hmm.
You all know what I'm trying to say. There is no point to keep looking at the data. I mean, when it's a software problem, we must stare at the data. Buddy, if you're there, you are there, right?
Yes, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Software issue, right? We have to stare at the data. Datadog is our only friend, right? Yeah, but when you look at hardware, right, it is not only a data issue. You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I repeat, software, our own environment, 100%, all data, 100% stare at the data. The answer is in the data. But this is iOS team, hardware sharing data that they cannot fetch. You agree, right? They cannot fetch the data that is sent to the router, that is causing the router jam, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, so no point. We study one round, we study finish, we identify that the network keep getting lost. Good enough already. We must straight away surface that we keep getting offline. The data don't get sent to the printer. Somewhere between our pass to the printer, something has happened that we don't have the data, unknown. Correct, Buddy?
Yes, correct.
The only conclusion iOS team can conclude is the print job is not sent. Don't know why. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So the moment we have this finding, right, straight away must conclude like we need the team to go down and isolate. That's what it means, right? So, buddy, I'm sure you understand already after this incident, right? That just make sure that the team, look beyond the data when it comes to hardware issue.
Yes.
It's only for hardware, right? Which is iOS or terminal, whatever. Anything that is hardware beyond our control, data can flow everywhere. We need to look at physical. We need to look at hardware. Okay. Yep. Okay. So
Yes,
okay.
okay.
Don't waste time now. What for Mika and what I suggest is here, right? So for this column, fill in everything correctly first, right? I want to fill in that states which one is feature request, right? Don't write. I don't want this to be messy. So feature request, simply just write the merchant name or our internal team member here. So I don't want to read this more and more complicated. So sorry, just now Noah, I tell you, new feature key goal, incident, only 3. Merchant request don't need to write, because merchant request just put the name down here. That's all.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you sort of finish message me. I will sort out over the weekend. Yeah. I need to really read through everyone because too many months of data already, right? Yeah. Then but more important, we save the time. Only left like a few minutes. It's gonna be 6 o'clock already, right? So let's
Yeah.
quickly wrap this out. Let's focus on just the key thing. Let's focus on what nothing is planned out for August except they carry on to build until September, correct?
Yeah.
Right. I finished reading this whole entire backlog already, right? Most part of it is outdated. I sorry to say, 80% of whatever is written here is either irrelevant or outdated because too long already. This feature request has been there for don't know how many months. Right? Some of the merchant maybe even churn already.
Okay. So
Okay?
I
Yeah.
just consolidate the August and September tickets. If that's okay.
No. I want you to go straight to August right now. Go straight to August and tell me what is the team currently committed to. If I'm not wrong, I look at what is being planned. The team is currently committed to do all the things under this one. Do, correct?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And this do was based on 3 months ago because for the last 2 months, the sprint planning we had is no capacity, carry on doing, correct? And the carry on doing, the timeline get longer and longer. Case in point, PWA. It was something that we should have finished in 1 month, but it dragged longer and longer, right? So similarly, e-voucher, e-wallet, it was supposed to be like 2 months completion, but it dragged 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. This is the fourth month already, correct?
Yeah.
Right. So you know what I'm saying, right? We are now focusing on based on to-do list that was decided at least 3 months ago because we keep snowball, scope creep. To them it's a scope creep. To me, it's not a scope creep, right? And they just get the same ticket just get building longer and longer lah. Am I right to say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So let's take a quick look. So if there is technically if I don't give a reshuffle of priority right now, the team will just carry on doing this all the way until September. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Yep. So in terms of their assigned tickets, the committed, not I commit, the team pre-committed ticket, it's already more than enough already. It's overloaded already. They cannot even finish this in August, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Budi, anyway, I want to tell you the situation for the last 3 months is always like that, right? I have no chance. If I want to break this flow, right, Budi, I need to, for example, like the PWA, really break the flow and say that I release phase one first, right? So similarly, I cannot change anything because how can I disrupt e-wallet right now? I cannot stop e-wallet, right? If I stop, then what will happen? 3 months of effort go to the drain. Correct, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the effort is creeping. I don't know, like all right. So to be fair, right, Noah and Mika, did my scope creep for the developer? All this ticket that extend 2 months, 3 months, right? Search, take keyword search. Do keyword search, e-wallet top up, keyword search. How many months has it dragged? Search July, June, May also. Just copy paste fine lah. Ticket number also can. Yeah, okay. Obviously July. Come, look at June. Come, carry on. May, carry on. April. Started coding already?
No.
No,
They just
yeah.
start coding on July. The drag is in May and June is from BA.
Oh, you sure? They haven't started coding?
Yeah. They start coding
Okay.
the e-wallet top up in July.
Okay, that's e-wallet. That's e-wallet. Anyway, you're searching for what? You are searching for OS or you're searching for what? OS. Okay. Right. Find me which ticket has been creeping. Like which one has been delayed over and over. Go to August.
PWA.
Okay, so only PWA. Anything else?
Có gì không chị như này?
Không hết được một cái đó thôi.
I think only PWA. AI upselling. It's like finished coding, but only start testing on this July.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Yeah. Hmm. Look through July, what is the major effort for dev team and QA team in terms of release, right? So just I don't want to look at plan. I want to look at committed. I want to look at orange. I'm not interested in green anymore. Look at orange. Can you scroll to orange?
Yeah,
Okay.
không bạn.
Okay, orange. What is the major effort committed? Which
June à?
tickets? June. July. Yeah, July, correct. Yeah, July. So we are talking about vouchers lah. All the vouchers redemption, e-wallet top out started, right? QA team testing. Scroll up.
That's all. Order report à?
Không.
All right.
Sale
So
report.
the entire July is about e-voucher redemption and e-wallet top up starting, correct?
Yeah. Còn ý nữa không ta? Chim
We also have the enhancements for sale report. Itemize reports to put the buffet item to the automatic report printout.
Okay.
Add the account code to account code for buffet item on customized report.
Yeah. That shouldn't be a long ticket lah. That is
Yeah,
only
right.
cloud team, right? That's
Yeah.
only cloud team. Yeah. Okay. Go to June. What is the major effort? Orange.
multiple voucher redemptions.
Okay. Any more?
Còn gì nữa?
No lah. We never started on CDS lah.
Của WhatsApp.
WhatsApp à? WhatsApp làm gì cậu à? WhatsApp thằng nắm á.
Thằng nắm hay là sao?
À đây WhatsApp.
iOS team.
WhatsApp
What is the effort of iOS team? Voucher redemption, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Come to June. May.
May is WhatsApp voucher TNC.
Multiple redemption.
Yeah. So I'm not wrong to say, right? The voucher redemption took us more than 3 months, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
like that.
So we're going to expect e-wallet is going to take another 3 months, right? That's how our team currently operate, right? When we focus on e-voucher, one e-voucher redemption probably is going to take us 3 months, including coding, including testing, right? May not even be. Can I look at July again? July is e-voucher redemption, coding or testing? Both, right?
Yeah,
Both.
both.
Look at August. Any QA effort for testing e-voucher?
No, we already released that function on mid of July.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Understand. So based on time, space, and capacity, it's all already fixed on e-wallet top up right now, right? Anyway, that's important for sure. We need to finish that, right? And that itself will take us 2 more months. If anything goes wrong, might be 3 more months, correct? That's what the situation is looking like. Am I right to say?
Yeah.
E-voucher alone will take out everything already. No. E-wallet top up is going to take out everything already, right? We don't even have capacity to talk about other things, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, can I understand. So now the focus I want is I need to take this sheet back because there are a lot of new merchant feature requests. Good job on that, like I say. Put it inside, no doubt. But at the same time, can you help me fill in this? Let me know once it's done, right? When this is done, let me know, right? This column. Okay, you understand this column, right? No?
Yeah. Only
Yeah.
put the name, right?
Yeah, only the name, right? I mean, I will appreciate if you have the date, but I don't think you can find the date. It's too long already.
Cannot.
Forget
Yeah.
it. Yeah, but next time, can you put a date?
Sure.
Yeah, next time put a date in, okay? Just put a merchant name and the date, 2 line lah. Merchant name on top. Yeah, just into 2 line, right? So Mr. Biryani, then next line date. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. For the backlog, no need. The previous, forget it, right? Don't waste time, right? Don't go and search back, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. Okay. So looks like wait, how come so many key goals?
I just put the Keygo. Yeah. So many Keygo, but because separate tickets, but it's still
Okay. Still the same, right?
it's only
Subpass
one
lah.
Keygo. Yeah.
Got it. Right. Okay. So essentially I don't think we can shift anything much, right? But yeah, I'm not sure. Can we look Buddy, the only thing I need your help is now look at e-wallet top up, right? We solved the
Yeah.
problem immediately. They are it's gonna be another 3 months, just like e-voucher, right? But I don't know
Yes.
what the team is doing. Like why it can take so much time. Does it sounds right at all? Like e-voucher redemption, but it's not even e-voucher module development. We are not talking about building e-voucher from scratch, You know, right, buddy?
Yeah.
You know what is e-voucher multiple redemption, right? That means online shop
Yes.
can put not just and Mika, to be fair, Noah, it's not about just e-voucher, right? It's multiple voucher redemption, not just e-voucher, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So, but it just for voucher redemption, right? It took the team like 3 whole months. I'm not sure, no. To me, it feels ridiculously long, lah.
Yeah, very long. Yeah. This one's
Yeah.
stacking. Multiple redemption is stacking, right?
Yeah,
Multiple
stacking
Yeah, yeah,
voucher.
okay.
All types
Yeah.
of voucher. E-voucher, normal voucher. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Uh,
I think it's okay. Let's do it. Let's do this meeting with the team leads, right? We surface this problem to them and tell them that that's not the way to go. Like really super
Yeah.
long, and I don't know why. So
Yeah.
for BA, a quick question I want to ask you, right? BA, when we were planning this, right? So let's take a look right now. So right now we lock in the dates, right? So they are saying August we start coding, we will finish in September. So technically we are looking at 2 months, right? Am I right to say that for top up e-wallet top up?
Yeah.
All right. So they started coding in July. Have they started coding a bit, right?
Yeah, they start coding a bit in July, end
How
of
much
July.
effort? How much effort? Let me 10 man days here lah. Around here, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah. So now they project to be September lah, right? And this September is based on look at August again. Come. So 10 days in July. Let's go into August. Another 10 days. September. Because when you say it's September, right? If 10 days in August cannot be September, right? I repeat again. If you look at this, right? If 10 days, how does it become September? August definitely has more than 10 days, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Can you understand my question?
I understand. We count the ETR based on the QA dates.
Okay. So they take 10 days, they take another 10 days, but still cannot be September 22, right?
September chứ đúng không? Let me double check.
Không, nhưng mà ý là không phải là start từ đầu tháng mà họ sẽ là sau khi release xong Compass thì mới làm Compass.
Sorry, Noah, I'm trying to understand what is this. What is bonus e-voucher purchase CRM? Don't understand.
The e-voucher upselling.
Purchase in one step.
Don't understand. On which screen? Which journey? User journey, right?
Yeah,
OS must be
one
consumer
step.
journey, right?
Yeah, right.
Which one? What one step? Sorry, don't understand.
On the online shop,
You are saying
okay,
they can okay, hang on. You are talking about similar to e-wallet.
Yeah,
Straight away
right.
top out, straight away redeem. So you are saying for voucher, straight away buy, straight away redeem.
Yeah, correct.
Just like Noah user story on the e-wallet top out and redemption one flow.
Yeah.
Okay, so Noah, you take a look, right? So that will stretch us into another October, November, and of course this ticket might even delay. If they delay this to October, this whole thing will delay into December. Correct? We have no capacity for nothing, right? That means for the entire 7 months, right? 3 months plus another 3 months, 4 months, right? We are doing nothing but e-vouchers. Buddy, our like 1 year we can only do like one innovation max. Maybe 1.5. Oh, very challenging, very challenging. Yeah, so I'm concerned. I'm concerned because if this is the speed we are moving, right? I don't think we can build anything,
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I do agree. Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
Hmm. Okay. No, Mika. I think there's nothing much I can do, right? Except to check in with the Buddy. We hold our meeting with the product leads. I want them to bring out.
yeah. This one for sure. This one for sure. We need to clarify. The
Yeah.
effort very long. This one.
Not just
Yeah.
this, everything is damn long. You look at one voucher
Yes.
story, we can take 7 months to even
Yeah.
complete it. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So anyway, Noah, quick answer to you, right? The e-voucher, I don't want, if this is the timeline we are looking at, right? Cut. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. You hold it there first. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Leave this planning as it is. I need this to talk to the leads. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, but what I'm telling all of you is that even as BA, right, you look at this kind of data, right, you must have the sensing to say that it's crazy. Correct? Like what we can take 7 to 8 months in a year to go at this kind of speed, right? Just to do e-voucher. And I'm not even talking about a e-voucher from ground up. It's a e-voucher redemption flow.
Mm-hmm.
Agree, right, Noah? Would you invest 8 months of the company's time, which is hundreds of thousands of US dollars, just to do this?
Yeah, no.
No way, right? If you all are bosses, you all would think it's insane, right?
Yeah. I better call it myself, sorry.
Yeah. Hundreds of thousands of US dollars. I'm not joking. You can add all the salary together.
Okay.
Just for this flow, with no quantified product goal outcome,
Mm-hmm.
you will not commit this, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think we will work with Tim and as well as Buddy to double check on the estimation first and the ETR.
Yeah. So we definitely need another sprint meeting next Friday. Okay.
Yeah.
Commit our time next Friday for sure. I will reorganize the whole sprint. Now that of course, Buddy, we need to clear with the team lead next week before Friday to understand how in the world we come out with this kind of calculation. And we need
Yes.
to be
For sure.
very
Yeah.
focused on the product goal, meaning those that
Yeah.
actually
Okay.
correct. Yeah, those that actually will generate our product goals matrix outline. We must be very focused on that, right? Which also includes Mika, your CDS. I look at this whole thing, right? To me, it's investing the resources into non-ROI items, non-return of investment. Yeah. So yeah, Mika, I hear you. Yeah, you are trying to fix this report, fix that report, right? But the question is, you should go through with me first. What is your priority? You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. For example, when I tell Ethan, those are the key things, CTA must be out. Ethan, your job is to make sure you have to fight for that space to make sure your ticket is immediately out next. So Ethan, if you're there, Tuan, if you're there,
Yes, I'm here.
when I tell your priority, right, for the BA, you don't even need to think one. You must straight away tell me, Steve, this is the earliest slot I will slot in. This is the earliest we will go. Which also means that if those are priority, you must get it released in the earliest possible time.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah. So Noah, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah, for Mika as well, right? So I'm not seeing progress for CDS for this reason. You get it? Yeah, I know again it's about multiple voucher redemption, but if I knew a voucher redemption going to take 7 months, I would be super surprised. Yeah, and I would not agree to it. Right. But anyway, so I want you all to look into all this and really focus on, if I look at this sprint planning, right, the first thing that must come to my view in the first few row is all your key tickets that are given to you for key product goal release. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, Noah, please click on either this or this. I cannot remember which one. This one should be this one.
This one?
This one.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. This one. Yep, this one. Yep. Come, tell me what is missing. Which one have we delayed?
The bonus e-voucher purchase haven't
Yep.
put it yet. The bonus e-wallet top-up delayed to September. PWA delayed to August. CDS delayed to
November.
Order tracker as well, delayed to October. Merchant report cards, delayed to October. Yeah.
Yeah. So no good, right? We
Yeah.
are really like 6 months away, right?
Mm.
Our delay is not small, no. Like at least 4 months kind of delay.
Thế là with một set nữa.
Okay, so individually, Noah, I want you to focus on your tickets to make sure they are coming up next, right? So I know e-wallet is this your current one already. You have e-wallet, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, then PWA is also yours, right? But what I'm not seeing is Tuan and Mika. How come both your tickets are not in priority for any of the release?
Những tickets is also wallet top up on pass.
No. Her ticket, if you're talking about e-wallet and e-voucher, hers is strictly on CDS. I repeat again, right? If you want to talk about this portion is also hers, her function is not redemption. Yes, redemption is important, but her core function is CDS selling of the e-voucher.
Yeah, it's also included in this ticket.
Cannot be lah. She already said November, didn't you hear? November
for CDS, but on Pass app we have a screenshot of selling e-top up, e-wallet top up. Let me share. Bạn gì?
Okay, I know what you're talking about. I went through with her. I know what you're talking about. The cashier part. To interact with the cashier.
October.
Yeah, correct.
Don't need to show me.
Yeah.
I went through that just last week with her. Yeah. Anyway, the
No,
core
at
is
the end
CDS.
of October, Steve. No, not November.
Okay. Yeah, still 4 months.
Yeah, sorry that.
Okay. Yeah. So everything delayed by 4 months.
Kiểu như là November vẫn toán hay là October toán?
Em đang để là September.
Quyết mấy?
Chắc
Quyết
quyết
một
3 gì.
Còn mấy cái đi cứu ạ.
Steve, sorry, I really need to go right now. Need to fetch my doctor. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, buddy, you go
Yeah.
ahead. I talk to you separately. We discuss the
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, thanks.
Everybody.
Okay, so you all just carry on planning to make sure that your key tickets, your key goals are all coming right after e-wallet. Tuan, I'm more worried about yours. I don't see yours anywhere.
Here.
Oh, okay, here. Not assigned.
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah.
why is sorry? This is clearly not 109, right? This merchant already churned, cancelled service with us, still 109.
Okay, sure.
This is key product go. All merchant, it's not by one merchant. Nothing to do with merchant request. Why
Sure.
would merchant report card be 109?
Don't have the TI here.
Yeah, so BA, you all must be individually vested in your interest to make sure that you are getting the closest ETR. So Tuan, it must be a case of you not letting the developer decide. you must make sure you prioritize that and make sure they focus on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Understood.
Yeah, but everything looks very far away. We do another one on Friday. Yeah, let me check through all the merchant requests as well. Yeah, I need to talk to the product leads as well. Yeah. So it's very hard to plan this if every core ticket or simple ticket takes 4 months. It's very long.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
Next
that's disgusting.
next Monday I
yeah.
will categorize if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. We do
Yeah.
one more sprint planning on Friday. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
Ken, thanks everyone. Thanks. At least I got a situation, a very clear understanding on the situation. Right. Thanks.
Yeah,
Yep.
thank you.
Yeah, have a good weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mm.